Alright guys, welcome to this basement suite that I finished building. It took me about 4 months from the ground up, outside of my working hours. I got LED backlit on the handrail, which is a 2x6 that was torched and then varathaned. Now making our way into the suite. We got the kitchen on the left, and the under cabinet lighting just bounces off that backsplash beautifully. We got an amazing interior designer, and she designed this entire suite. And it got a microwave oven, of course, new appliances. We're right now in the dining area, and then open concept to the living area. We got those 4 lights to backlight the TV wall, and we got fiber optic in this basement suite. We're going to be passing by the utility room on the left. I don't show it in this video. In other videos I do. This is a stackable washer dryer unit. And then we got our bathroom on the right. We got a shower tower with jets and changes red and blue LED lighting according to the water temperature. Under cabinet lighting, of course, on the vanity. Beautiful space underneath the stairs. Makes a lot of room for storage, whether it's hockey gear or Christmas trees, etc. We got the timer on the wall, so that you can control your bathroom fan. You don't have to remember to shut it off. Got a ceiling fan in this room along with 4 pot lights, and we got a custom built closet there. And the light, of course, has a remote for the fan. This is the master bedroom that we're walking into. We got 2 different sets of pot lights, and they're dimmable. And then we got the ensuite. We got a runway puck light system so that at night you don't have to turn on bright lights and get blasted by it. You could just hit that soft lighting and make your way into the bathroom. Got a soaker tub in there, and that's the suite. I hope you enjoy it.